All right, we made it, man. Xcal, Guns Out TV edition, man. About to go up in here, see what they got. Already, they got some big trucks out here. That's pretty sweet. Let's go in here and see what's in there, man. See if we can spot a celebrity shooter. Got the bikes out. Beautiful day out here, man. Guns Out TV. Look, he got the Man. All right, this Guns Out edition, man, but they brought the cars out too. Sheesh. Money in the building, man. McLaren. Oh, what you doing here? You messed up the line. Who let him park right here, man? Hey. There's some shooters in this house. I already know who that Batcave. Yeah, that's Batcave, man. It gotta be, yeah. Batcave, man. Woo. Oh, I see somebody I know already still. What's up?
There you go.
What's up, dog?
What up, man?
Guns Out today?
Guns Out today, every day.
I'm about to go in here and check it out, see what they got going on. Xcal. Now this is a range. Pete. This is Xcal in Dulles, Virginia, man. They got some stuff. They got scoops. My bad. Sorry. They got everything, man. Just like a Grand Theft Auto, the gun store. Suppressor.
Yo, that switch.
Yeah, man, that's the good stuff.
I'm just like my Glock, ain't got no safety. So you won't catch me without the AP.
Good surprise.
These 223 rounds, they penetrate deep.
HKs.
Bad shit, long clips and laser beams. And it's a whole lot of rounds up in this Glock, bitch. I put your clock if you reach, then you get popped with. I put this beautiful Glock, I'm tryna bang it. I put this beautiful Glock, I'm tryna bang it. And I know that I'm not tripping, caught you slipping, and I'm not missing, rolling down your block. This switch is itching for some click, and I'm about to let loose. Say, boy, is you done? Put the switchy on you. Put up that low ass gun, got the switchy on you. Don't get hit with these rounds, I got the switchy on you. Say, don't get hit with these rounds, I got the switchy on you. Don't get popped by my Glock, I got the switchy on you. Don't get popped by my Glock, I got the switch on you. You know I be coolin' with this cake.
Oh shit, we got celebrities in the building. We got
with this little drink head. A lot of kicks, so you know that I had to brace it. But I can't lie, I'm just addicted to them switches. It take a whole lot of rounds to fill up this clip. And it's a beautiful sound when I dismiss it. You better duck hit the ground when you hit switches. This Gen 5 Glock got a switch, I call it Gen 6. I cock my Glock back, plus it got the switchy on too. I cock my Glock back, plus it got the switchy on too.
I ain't gonna lie to you, baby, I'm a shooter. Last nigga tried me, I left him and kept it moving.
Yeah, out here at the Guns Out table, man.
I pay your rent, I pay your bills, I'm just a real nigga. I keep the switch on me, I swear to God, I like this place up. I got your back, baby, when the world is against us. I like the Dracos, I like the Stendos. I keep my foot on their neck, safe to say I'm staying 10 toes. I'm from a different era. Money and murder, sins from OGs got them youngest hurting.
Oh, hey.
Closed curtains, plotting on me, get you one man. Guns ain't the problem, it's the parents raising sons bad. I gotta keep it close. They claiming they demons, but really cats better go. I swear it's really a joke. War ready. I was born for the smoke. I said I'm war ready. I was born
down to Xcal. Check it out, man.
Mama in the kitchen and daddy was on the stove. Mama still gripping and pops done got swole.
Guns Out TV. Check this out, man.
I'm not missing, rolling down your block. This switch is itching for some click, and I'm about to let loose. Say, boy, is you done? Put the switchy on you. Put up that low ass gun, got the switchy on you. Don't get hit with these rounds, I got the switchy on you. Say, don't get hit with these rounds, I got the switchy on you. switchy on you.
It's that work, baby. Top of the day, man. Pop out.
What's up? I'm right here with Iraq Veteran, man. Yes, sir. Come to the Machine Gun Mountain Machine Gun Shoot, baby. September 9th, Chopper Day. He will be here with a lot of other special celebrity guests, man. It's gonna be a great time. Don't miss it. Link in my bio for your ticket. Be there.
You done, put the switchy on you. Put up that low ass gun, got the switchy on you. Don't get hit with these rounds, I got the switchy on you. Said don't get hit with these rounds, I got the switchy on you. Don't get popped by my Glock, I got the switchy on you. Don't get popped by my Glock, I got the switchy on you.